Now, that accused killer, Robert Aaron Long, waived today's scheduled court appearance. He is now expected to go before court judge within the next 30 days. Long, you may recall, faces 8 counts of murder, 1 for each person killed at spas in both Cherokee and Atlanta. Team coverage on the aftermath of that tragic shooting begins with CBS 46's Adam Murphy.
And Adam, just over an hour ago, Atlanta police giving an update on their investigation. And what they really wanted to stress was that this investigation is far from over and different from what investigators are doing in Cherokee County.
Well, good evening, Rick. That's exactly right. The deputy chief went on and on about the fact that this thing is far from over. They've got a lot more work to do. Typically with homicide cases, it takes time. Just because they've made an apprehension of a suspect doesn't mean their work is done. They made that point over and over to let folks know that they are still working on this investigation. In addition to murder charges, Atlanta police said Thursday they are still looking into whether 21-year-old Robert Long may have committed a hate crime.
In most cases of homicides, we don't have a quick apprehension. There's usually a lengthy investigation, especially when there's involving multiple victims. And so, again, we're still working very diligently and to ascertain all the facts so we can have a successful prosecution.
APD has not ruled out hate crime charges in light of the fact that all 4 of the people murdered in Atlanta were Asian women.
Our hate crime statute is way too weak to really deter any sort of conduct like this.
High-powered criminal defense attorney Paige Page said Georgia's hate crime law does not have enough teeth to have a significant legal impact.
What we have here is a motivation perhaps to commit the crime, but it's not one that's going to be a legal defense to the charges.
Plus, Pate thinks the suspect will have a difficult time making a case that sex addiction could lead to insanity.
And by claiming that there was some sex addiction that compelled him to commit these murders, that's not going to rise to the level of an insanity defense in court.
And back here at APD headquarters, I can tell you Atlanta police did not release the names of the victims at those spas here in the Atlanta area. They said they are still working and trying to notify next of kin. We're going to stay on top of this investigation for you. For now, though, we're live outside Atlanta Police Headquarters. Adam Murphy, CBS 46 News.